yo, it's your boy Will back another video, and today's topic going to be 9 push-ups in slow motion. Good news, I did 99 push-ups. I did 99 push-ups in slow motion, which is good and bad news. I messed up the end by pulling myself back up so I can get to 100 push-ups, but hey, I went over 70 push-ups to 99 push-ups. If they ain't progress, then I don't know what to tell you. Keep being happy with the small wins every time and keep it going, and don't force it or be hard on yourself. Just because you didn't get the right amount of numbers you were trying to pull in the gym from that one workout that's new to you. Just be happy with the number that you got and just show up tomorrow and try again. Nobody's perfect in the world. Over time, it took time and hard work to get to where they at today. So think of that and just show up the next day and try again. Man, I could have did 100 push-ups today, but 99 push-ups is good also. Just build up the progress and patience of you being with yourself and trying something new in your life. I will show up tomorrow and try again, and if I mess up again, then I will show up again. We on short term and don't even realize it. We only living for the moment and not the future. And I will blame social media for it because it gives us followers, views, and likes. Short term. Like we get fast results and not slow results. That's why our urges be out of control, because we want instant gratification. Instant gratification, we have to fix that just so we don't be added to the same pack as everyone. Let's realize stuff that lasts forever don't come overnight. Let's realize that we need to put in we have to put in a large amount of work to get the real results. Like when I record myself, I want to show you all that everything that I start now going to take time and hard work to get the real results. It's my mission. It's my mission to do it, and no, I don't care if I mess up anything, because we going to fail and fail every time, because we hold on, y'all. Oh yeah, we going to fail. My fault. We're going to fail and fail every time before we get it. So, like I said before, master the habit of getting back up. That's true, because we will take something new and be like, I give up. That's a weak mindset. That's a weak mindset. So I'm here to break the reality of life. Trying new things in life with no videos being added. And I want you to see me falling. I want you to see me falling just so you can see my face when I show up again. So it's your boy Will, and I'm gone.